princess likes sweet food. She eats cakes for breakfast. She eats biscuits for lunch. She eats ice cream for supper. The king and queen are not happy.
Eat good food.
In the morning, the queen brings good food for breakfast.
Eat this cheese. It's tasty.
No, thank you, I don't like cheese. In the afternoon, the king brings good food for lunch.
Eat this meat. It's tasty.
No, thank you, I don't like meat. In the evening, the prince brings good food for supper.
Eat eggs. Eggs are good for you.
No, thank you, I don't eat eggs. The prince has a good idea.
I like bananas. Eat bananas.
No, thank you, I don't like bananas. The cook makes good food for the princess.
Potatoes are good for you.
Go away, I don't like potatoes. The princess is sad. She feels bad. She isn't happy. She sits on a chair and looks out of the window.
This princess eat this soup.
I don't want soup. I want cake. The king writes, "Do you want some money? Make good food for the princess." The king and queen want a happy princess.
Does the princess eat cheese? No.
Don't bring the princess fish or chicken. Don't bring the princess bread or rice. Go away. I don't want your food.
Princess, here's a pie for you.
Yum! It's tasty. I like pies.
That pie is good for you.
The king gives the money to the man.
Thank you.
And make more tasty pies for the princess.
Created using Powtoon.